Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of this video. Here is Earncryptoz, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money to your wallet address. So right now we are just going to get started right away. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you'll be notified each time we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. So right here on your BYDFI app, you click on assets right here. Once you click on assets, you'll be seeing the deposit, withdraw and transfer. So right now you just want to deposit money to your BYDFI wallet, so you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, they are going to ask you, is it deposit crypto? Do you want someone to deposit crypto to you? Do you want to buy through the app, or is it P2P you're going to use? So right now you're just going to click on deposit crypto. Once you click on deposit crypto, you'll be seeing so many coins, but you are just going to click on the USDT, which is the recommended one. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing so many networks, and you also ask your sender which network he or she is using to send the crypto to your wallet. So if it's USDT 20 RC20, you click on it. Once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. So right here, you just click on copy right here. You click on copy, then you send it to whoever is sending the coin to your wallet. So this is just the simplest way to deposit money to your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification button so you'll be notified each time we post an important video like this. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with BYDFI, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and get a bonus for doing that. There will also be a link in the description to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.